Hi friends and welcome back again to K2N family. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Today something is special and nice day today. We are going out for what?
Central London.
We are going Central London for attraction. Kids holiday, Angels last week holiday now this is. And what it is, Angel's birthday is coming up. So every year what we do is when Angel's birthday is there, we do something special for her. We try to go out to take her to nice different places where she can see. So she has those memories with her. And that's what we thought like, okay, her birthday is on 2nd. But what happens is the school's starting on 3rd. So we thought of like, okay, celebrating it, just giving her the treat earlier. A week before, so we are going to Central London just to give her the glimpse of the attractions. So you will see what places we are going for. And so now we are leaving now, isn't it? Yeah. So see you later. We just had a short break now. We just stopped by over here just to have breakfast before we head on to the further journey on. It just about takes 2 hours. So early morning we left 7:30. Easy. Kisha, yeah, definitely we're going to change Kisha from now. This is the breakfast, what we got. See Angel having with both the hands. Oh my God. It's Mama and my breakfast here. And my queen. Solid.
Hey everyone, we just finished doing our breakfast, but the breakfast was not good because many times we have in Tesco's, but today the service was not good and I don't know what was happening today.
The breakfast was horrible. Tesco breakfast we had a lot of time, but honestly, वो breakfast सारखं rubbish sausage सारखे खूप असं नाही. एक कॉफी घेतलेले तितून बेले केस मेळ्ळो आतां सांगलें यू हॅव अ हेअर इनसाइड म्हाका ती आतां हॉट चॉकलेट कोण एक हॉट चॉकलेट ऑर्डर जालो म्हणजे आय हॅड अ हॉट चॉकलेट एंड कॅपुचिनो they ordered for me and what they said like okay you ordered for you did not say I said can you change your coffee because I found a hair inside and she made a hot chocolate for me instead and I said you made a hot chocolate I said for a coffee so you didn't mention you just said like okay change the coffee. It's coffee and hot chocolate are two different things, so quite obvious. I'm not going to say like, can you make another cappuccino for me?
And then she says it's the same.
And it's the same way. But I want nadi. Hot chocolate and coffee.
Tell them about that sandwich which is.
And guys, if you all go to Tesco's anytime, new sandwich. What is that called? Classic sandwich.
So not classic. Something.
Yeah, it says classic. Yeah. I think so. Such chicken and what bacon, whatever, I don't know. 750 it is.
It was rubbish.
One of the horrible sandwich I ever saw. I didn't even eat it. I did not even eat that. Nadia just wanted to have it. Check order के लिए इतनी जो check जो 7:30 आएंगे इल्ला ना मुझे मागते कितना हजार एक पाव पड़ जाए. Literally not worth okay. So don't try. Don't waste your money. You all probably like English breakfast is good to have it, but Slough I went today. Horrible. And cannot Slough and cannot Spana. If I'm passing by to have a breakfast, no, sorry.
Okay. Hi guys, we reached to Westfields and I mean gadi park kelam gele. Anybody coming to London to like going to Central London, then I think it's good to park your car in Westfields and go by train. So yes, also actually photo katta. It was good to know where you have parked your car.
And see my Kisha. I live in my seafood dress. Hello. Yeah, Miami. Yeah, she Angel is wearing her dress now. Tak change kala amiga. Westfield.
Hi friends.
Okay. Hi friends. Hello mama. Mama is ready. Mama apna coat bhi got ready hainga. So आता आम्ही स्टेशनाचे पावलें शेफर्ड बुश वी आणि हिंगसन ट्रेन घेवन वचपाचें वी ऑलरेडी लेट नाव टू गो लेट्स सी हाउ लॉन्ग व्हिच गोना बी द ट्रेन इज कम ट्रेन येयली येता हाटल्या ओके चल गाइस मेवता इट्स मामा's first time experience going on the train over here आणि एंजल बी सारखी हाती धरून बोलल्या सारखी आहे काय सारखी मम्मी कशी दिसते का बऱ्या खंयची ट्रेन बरी गोंया की का इंडिया बरी दोन्ही बरी ही बसोन मेळून कोण दिसताना
It's Kisha's also first time in the train. See how she's sitting.
You always goes in the car, right?
First time they gele after she was born. Hey baby.
So guys, just we reached now to the London Eye. It took us ages. So plan got to basi jaina. Timer kai pauna, but still, finally we are here. We are going to take them. Nadia, Mama, and Angel.
Hello.
So guys, we are already late to go to London Eye. Let's see if they're going to take us. We were supposed to had booked
They
us.
have to take us.
Yeah, they have to take us. They said if they're
Oh my
available.
God, see the queue.
Yeah, we had a booking at 11:15 at this time. Well, let's see what happens now. I'm going to show you what it is. So guys, this is the first attraction that we're doing. It's London Eye. Yes, Mama's first experience. Gonna have a look from London Eye over here. We've been here before. I've been with my mom when she was, but now Nadia's mom also is here this time. And Kisha also is very excited. Yeah. When Angel came, she was very small. She was, I think, say a year and a half something. Yeah, yeah. How Kisha is, like her she was. So definitely we'll have to make another one later. So going on the London Eye, the big fan looks so close over here. There's a river cruise over here. A lot of river cruises. A beautiful view from the London Eye. Guys, this is a really nice, good experience. I would say, like, you guys have to come at least once over here to have a look. This is really nice. I would say, at least you need to come one time because it's not that really expensive as well to come. Look at the view. And there's a river cruise that's taking place. You can book even the tickets for this one. What I like about this place is the architect. See to the architect of these buildings. From modern till the olden age. It's probably dated from 16th centuries. Some of the buildings down over here.
Yeah, the top of the London Eye.
Yeah, so now our current position is we are at the very top, and that's the view from top. You see, guys, really worth it. Yeah? You should make a visit once over here. Go on, check. I'll give you more details later on. I'll put it on. I'll speak about it because how do you want to find these attractions for a very good price? But for the kids' holiday time, it's very much good. I would say, isn't it? It's very nice.
It is.
And the experience of having a look like this is very good. I have a best memories about this bridge, especially with my friend Malito. Malito, if you're watching, you will be remembering about this. On that very same bridge, we had a legend who drew your pictures, yours and Rachel's portrait. So guys, we just finished a tour on the London Eye. और एक इसे बेस्ट ना दिख फोटो काढले आम्ही यार लंडन आय थिंक फोटो काढले आणि फोटो आम्ही गेले 25 पाउंडचा एम होता किचन आणि very nice photos. I'll show you them. So these pictures with that book, and there is a soft copies as well that you can buy with 2 magnets and all you get. मस्त किती picnic होता है यार किती हल्ले खाता है था. So we're going to take a short break now. And we are just sitting over here. Remember once when Mama had come? I mean, it's from this side. आणि फोटो बी काढलो ते. Still remember those days. आणि आज आपण बसून आहे ते बारीक एक ईशाशी गॉट मेरी नाही किती कोण आणा दाखवाय तुम नाही किती कोण आणते एकच आहे चिप्स आता या लाफिट आणि ओचे लाफिट ए किशा सो किती आलटे पय चटणी ब्रेड आणि
चिप्स आहे.
आमगे स्पेशल सिग्नेचर किती गो ते पेन रोल्स.
Now we are going sea life. No, baby?
Now we are going to sea life. Manageable time. So what time you were booked for that? 12:45?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're late anyway. Let's see what happens.